So our first question comes in from Chris Dreyer of rankings.io. Chris's question is, why isn't acquisition a larger strategic initiative for growth in the legal industry? Chris, thank you so much. And I'll tell you, I think about the same thing all the time because we think about firms that are growing, right? A growing law firm is based on a foundation, right? That foundation has 6 cores to it, okay? The foundation upon which we can grow a law firm is built upon a client list, the goodwill that a law firm is developing in their locality, their state, nationally, sometimes even internationally, their subject matter knowledge that they're developing, they're hiring key employees, they're developing referral sources, and they're introducing post 2020 more and more digital value, right? And as we can see here, they're building these buildings filled with what? They're filled with clients, right? That's the energy source of law firms. We need, as law firms, we need clients. And so many growing firms, they're so focused on, okay, how can we get more clients? How can we generate more revenue? Well, to Chris's question, right? Growth by acquisition. Let's take a look at what that looks like, right? You're building your own buildings, terrific. Well, what if there's a senior attorney, which we define as an attorney who's practiced more than 30 years? What if they have similar buildings as you, right? We think back to the Monopoly board, right? We put houses on the Monopoly board, then we build more houses, and then we add hotels onto the different, pieces of the Monopoly cards on the Monopoly board. Well, really the same thing with growth by acquisition. So we are recommending to growing law firms, they should absolutely be thinking about growth by acquisition because it provides instant expansion. It provides cross-marketing opportunities because often the senior attorney-led firms are not doing all of the same practice areas as growing firms. Great for cross-marketing. And there's really 4 key benefits of growth by acquisition, which is the instant client growth of taking on the clients of a senior attorney and the firms that senior attorneys have led, combined workforce, that is attorneys and non-attorney staff that can come over from a senior attorney's firm, that marketing value, take all of the content, the subject matter knowledge that senior attorneys have developed over the course of their careers and start maximizing and monetizing that digital value, and then the cumulative expertise of what senior attorneys and their attorneys and non-lawyer staff bring. So Chris, thank you so much for that question. And we really think that more law firms should be bullish, growing firms should be bullish in terms of growth by acquisition.